girls, my babies. I hope you're having a lovely day, a lovely week. And today, as you can say from the title, I'm going to do an unboxing of my Aether. Please educate me. I always say Aether, but I don't know if it's how we can pronounce his name. Well, I will say Sora because it's his name in Japanese. So yeah, I hope you can stay here with me. The box is huge, as you can see. And now I'm putting you guys close to me and you will not see me, but that's okay. What is this? Oh, it's a face to change. I don't know. Ooh. Oh, the baby. Oh my god, the box is so beautiful. Oh, can we appreciate like the box design, because this is amazing. Easy with the baby. Oh, also guys, how can guys, this figure was a gift from a very special follower, a very special friend. He bought me on my throne, you know, my throne wish list, and then one day he went there and I'm talking. Rude. He went there and he bought me this figure, and I was like, oh, okay, let's go. But yeah, so I want to say a very special thank you to him, because he just made one of my dreams come true. Oh my god, look at him. It's perfect. So, your boyfriend is waiting. Wow. Oh my god. Look how beautiful he is. Look at this. I'm speechless. Ooh, I'm so scared. Look at his belly. Look at his belly. Wow. Ooh. Like, can you focus on the baby, please? Ooh. How can I put the sword here? Ah, okay. My loves, I will put all these together and then I will film up close, okay? So, the boyfriends are now together.